US crude WTI has shown tremendous bullishness, has gone till towards 71.3 levels. Now don't tell me I didn't tell you that beyond 69.2 yesterday to remain long, and specifically if it trades above 70, we are looking at 71 and 72 levels. And precisely from the middle of the levels it has reversed and now trading above 70.2 again. At the same time, net gas has tried to trade bullish but recovered strongly and now trading at 2.32. So, what to expect today? Which position you should take in order to profit trading crude oil, WTI, and net gas? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. The next update will be released before the US session. Do watch that also. Let's start. First, we look into US crude, followed with NG. Watch till the end, listen to it carefully, note down the levels, trade as per the levels. Now, look at crude oil on the hourly chart. Now, see, this time higher highs are seen for crude 71.3, 71.5 levels. It is reversed since then. And if you look at the 20 period moving average, it diverges from here, again converge, diverge, converge, diverge, again converge, and hence 20 period moving average is something you should look out for, which means right now 69.8 level is the level below which you can sell, and then expect 69.5, 69 as the major support, and only bearishness is if it trades below 68.4. That is very. And if you look at the movement, see, it is still bullish, higher highs, higher lows, and hence above 70.5 you can again initiate a buy. But let's have a look into detail. Stock stick has dropped drastically, now trying to recover. The MACD is in sell here. It is trading with slight divergence. That is where you should be slightly watchful and cautious. See drop, retracement drop. Again trying to look downward. Let's be watchful here. RSI flat after the drop. Now look at the 2-hour chart. On the 2-hour charts too, it is trying to trade with a support, trying to trade with slight bullishness. And if you look at the complete movement here with after the breakout, you can see it is taking the support here. It is and trading in this channel. Hence above 71.5 against 71.5 levels can be expected. If you look at the stochastic, this has dropped. The MACD is trying to converge crossover. It is still trading in green, but it is not yet crossed over for a sell, and possibly this time if it crosses over, it can again bring bearishness. Now remember one fact, see 73, 75 is the level, because beyond 75 that should be considered for a good reversal, which I think is going to be difficult. But yes, these are markets and are meant to give you surprises. So, but looking at the 2-hour chart, there could be slight retracement again. RSI is also trading near to the highs. And if you look at 3-hour chart, on the 3-hour chart, certainly it is again trading bullish. And that is what we have seen on the other time frames. And rightly see a couple of retracement candles and then this drop. So if you see it trading below 69.8, one can stay short, but then do not consider this as bearish till for the day it stays above 69 and then 68.5 levels. These are the two levels you should watch out for. At the same time, staying above 70.5, this time it is going to give you good rise, good bullish candle. Stochastic has dropped a bit. The MACD is in green, trying to trade with slight convergence. And if you look at the RSI, this is also trading near to the highs here. Now look at 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour charts, very interesting observation. Higher lows. See the previous candle. It is creating steps here, increasing body size. This indicates that once it breaks out, this is going to be a very sharp candle, almost of similar size, which means almost of $1. And that indicates 70.5 will bring 71 and 71.5 levels. Be watchful there. At the same time, a drop below 69.8 will reverse or erase all the gains and take it to 69 and 68.5 levels. Stochastic has dropped. MACD is in green, trading with slight divergence. RSI is flat, looking comfortable there, neither overbought nor oversold. Now look at the daily chart. See, we talked about this yesterday that there is a long tail previously, and it is a good handle for you to create a good shape of candle. And see, and we talked about that there is a symmetry, and this time if it rises, it may try to equate to this candle. Right now, it is still falling shy of it. At the same time, next thing we did talk about is that it is trying to trade in this bullish channel. The highs are at around 73 levels. That is something we have seen. Now, if you look at the complete movement today, see, the body size is less than half of the candle size. This is not a good indication, because See, this means that the prices are not willing to stay on the top and there is a constant downward push. Now for the next candle on this app with this chart is yet to start, and hence if I see it trading above 70.5, we can rise, but then you have to be watchful for 71 and 71.2 levels. Only and only if it breaks past the yesterday's high, you can consider this as bullish, and then we will see 71.5 and 72 levels also. We may see it coming either till here or either fall shy of the this high, this candle's opening there. So that is something I'll be looking forward to. But yes, this is also achievable. Stochastic was oversold and has recovered strongly. The MACD, now see there is a convergence is seen on MACD. It has not yet crossed over, but it is looking forward to converge and look upwards. RSI is also trying to look upwards and show a little strength. Considering this, one thing is very clear that a sell entry is only below 69.8 levels, and then 69.5, 69.2, and then 68.5 levels is something you should watch out for. These levels are going to give it a maximum support, and only if you see oil trading below 68, consider this as bearish. Now on the upside, you can buy at 70.5. However, 70.8, 71.2, these are the levels you should watch out for, and if it trades beyond 71.2, this time we may see 71.5, very strong resistance, and then 72 levels. Now possibility exists that it can achieve those levels, but then till 71.2, that is the lower highs from yesterday, you have to be watchful till then and strictly trade with the stop loss at cost. Trade accordingly, trade profitably. Now let's have a look at net gas. And yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for more details. My telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now see net gas on the hourly chart. See, bottom was here at 2.25 and since then a rise, but you can see the rise was lower highs here and it is still trying to trade in this bearish channel. But more importantly, see the retracement here was the level from which the rally has started, and it has given a good support here again 2.3 levels, and it has tried to drop till towards 2.25 but failed to do so. Now see, it is trying to recover and trying to trade bullish. This is still in the phase of consolidation where lower highs, higher lows are seen. And hence for the now remember one fact, when it is phase of consolidation it is at bottom, it may try to look upwards. Till the time it stays about 2.28, do not sell net gas, that is clear. And if you see it trading below 2.28, you can again sell for 2.26, 2.24 levels, and below that 2.2 will be seen. Now what is happening here is it is trying to trade bullish, but it is getting constant pressure on the downside. I will wait for it to break past 2.34. Yes, you can buy 2.34, but then 2.36, 2.38 are the good resistance level, and if it trades above 2.4, you can stay long, and we are going to look forward to another round of rally here. So 2.38, 2.24 levels is something you should watch out for. Certainly it has created a base here and it may try to rise a little, but yes, breaking below 2.28 is something you should watch out for. Below that it is going to turn bearish. Now see, stochastic looking up, MACD is bearish, trying to converge crossover for a buy. RSI trying to look upwards, trade with slight bullishness. And if you look at 2 hour, likewise on the 2 hour charts, higher lows are seen and lower highs are seen. Phase of consolidation, 2.38, 2.4 levels definitely should be watch out for. And right now you can buy 2.4, expect 2.6, 2.34, buy 2.36, 2.38 as a good resistance level. Stochastic looking up, MACD trying to converge crossover for a buy, RSI trading flat. And if you look at 3 hour, similar is the observation on the 3 hour charts as well, but see, higher lows is something which I am looking forward to, which can turn it bullish here. Stochastic is trying to reverse a bit. It has come out of the oversold zone. The MACD is in green, however trading with very slight divergence. RSI is again comfortable, neither bullish nor bearish. And if you look at 4 hour, if you look at 4 hour charts, see the 20, 50, 100 period moving averages, that is exponential moving averages, trading with divergence, and the 20 period moving average, exponential moving average, giving it a very good resistance here on the upside, which means 2.38, 2.4 zone is something you should watch out for. And we talked about this yesterday, that it is trying to trade in this bearish channel, and see, it is achieved the highs here once again. And now, well, if you see it trading above 2.4, more bullishness may prevail. See, the stochastic has dropped, trying to recover here. MACD is in green, but we're trading with very little divergence. RSI is trading flat. And if you look at the daily chart, now look at the daily charts, higher lows are done, higher highs. It is trading in this channel. We talked about this on our weekly analysis. 2.2 levels, certainly a good support, but at the same time, see on the daily charts here, higher lows, lower highs. It is also showing a phase of consolidation. On the daily charts, 2.45, 2.5 is the level beyond which little more bullishness is confirmed. At the same time, we did see in our daily analysis that it is trading in this bearish channel on the upside. 2.5, 2.6 levels. See, till 2.6 we have to be not considering, we have not to consider net gas as bullish and a reversal. Stochastic was at bottom oversold, has recovered a bit. MACD is crossing over again and trading with divergence, but remember this crossover is happening only well below zero levels. RSI is also dropped, and considering this for the day, I will not recommend you to sell till 2.28 and not recommend you to buy till it's below 2.34. Now above 2.34, 2.36, 2.38 and 2.4. These three levels you should watch out for. Beyond 2.4, again we may see bullishness for 2.45 and 2.5 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Trade your stop losses till 2.4 levels at least with a 20 cents stop loss. On the downside, sell at 2.28, but then 2.26, 2.24 and then 2.2 levels you should watch out for. They're breaking below 2.24. It should be considered for a breakout, and we may see a sharper drop there which might take it below 2.2 and further lower levels. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss. Trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signal channel. Reach out to me for more details. My telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.